So in case you want to ping a location on a map during a gameplay in Battlefield 6, all you have to do is simply press the L1 button and you should see it will ping that location. So simply press the L1 button and it will ping the location. However, in case you change this button to something else, all you have to do is simply pause the game, then go to options, and then scroll down and select controller and select edit settings, and then choose the infantry/passenger control mapping, and then scroll down and find this button, the ping/comos/all those information. So in case you change it to something else, you can simply use the button that you assigned it to ping locations on the map. Alternatively, you can simply press the touchpad on your controller if you're in PS5, and then use the L1 or the L1 button to ping a location, and that will ping a location on the map. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.